This is my first sketchbook tour, and if you see the title, you may wonder why I call my sketchbook ugly. Well, it's to lower your expectations, mine expectations. It took me almost 2 years to finish this sketchbook. I started it in June 2023 and drew on the last page in May 2025. It's mostly because of a mindset that I had at this time. I knew that to be better as an artist, I have to practice more. Yet also, I didn't want to ruin a good sketchbook with bad drawings. You may see the paradox here. And it took me a while to finally shift my mindset and start to create. It was a long process. In this sketchbook, at the first, I only drew when I was inspired, only when I had an idea what to draw. But at some point, I started to finding inspiration. I stopped waiting for it to come because we all know that inspiration may hit you anytime, and you can also go weeks or months without inspiration. I was practicing poses, drawing freehand with brush and ink, finding new ideas for next illustrations, drawing freehand. And I gave myself permission to just fill those pages, no matter if it will be good, if it will be anatomically correct. I just wanted to finish this sketchbook as soon as possible because, like I said, it took me almost 2 years, and I knew that I just have to create more because sketchbooks are meant for practice, to fail and rise again, try new things, experiment. And maybe my 7th or 10th sketchbook will be pretty from first page to the last. Yet now I'm showing you my unperfect, ugly sketchbook because this is the way that leads to excellence.